1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. Test, test. Test, test, test. We are monitoring the stream. We are monitoring the stream. The stream. Let's see. Let's see. Did I have any of them? I actually have to put up the quadrants. All right, let's see here. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Observing. Wow, AMPX, another leg. Absolutely wild. 1, 2. Is it too loud? Yeah, I think it's way too loud. All right, I think. All right. This looks good. Everything's good. I think the volume's way too loud. Oh yeah, I gotta put background music. Testing. Mic. Oh, that they're gonna definitely get me on that one. Let's do a happy fight trans. Okay. One, two. Sounds good. Wait, this has words in it. Oh no, I can't do that. They'll fucking get me on that one. Okay, this looks good. Alright, I think one, two, test, setting. I want lo-fi rap though. Lo-fi rap. Can we get that? Is that even possible? Can I get... There you go. Alright, we got it going. Looks good. Sounds good. Everything's decent. Alright. Alright, let's get it going. What are we watching today? Oh yeah, we're in the markets. Are we in the marketeers? I think we are going to do, let's pull up the quads. All charts. Let's go. All right, so it looks like we had a good PPI. Oh no, this has words? Please tell me this doesn't. Please tell me this doesn't have words. This has words? I don't hear words. Okay. I don't think it has words. Alright, we're good. Oh, I'm hearing my... Oh, wow. This actually picks up the audio from the other computer. Holy shit. Wow, that's pretty fucking loud. Alright, I gotta lower that volume. Okay. Alright, let's go. Maybe I should lower this volume here. Alright, we're good to go. What's on our menu today? Alright, we got SPY up 0.2%. We're back in this trend line that I drew. Let me see if we're in it. Yep, we're right back in it. We're also about to hit this apex. So that's very interesting. We got AMPX, another leg up, 0.5% on the day. Absolutely abysmal. It is going parabolic nonstop. APLD, we have short interest that just rose. We need buyers coming in on APLD. That's for sure, because they loaded up. They absolutely loaded up this morning. So SBET, holy shit. Holy shit. Holy Lord. Absolutely. SBET is absolutely crazy. You cannot make this up. One of my Discord members is literally rocking this right now. It's para-fucking-bolic. Para-fucking-bolic, man. Market watch. Actually, let me pull up oh shit, here we go. Let me see if I can get that going. Okay, that made a lot of noise. I'm just sending a public announcement on Twitter. I do love the lo-fi Wi-Fi. Market live, market live, markets, SPY, stocks, APLD, BBAI, VMAX, PLTR, live, streaming, audio. Alright, we're about to start. Let's go. Alright, looks like we're good to go. I don't need no more. Prepping. Let's just get straight into charting. I want to get to business. Alright, we fill that gap. Markets are about to be flexing today. So knowing that we have SPY that's making multiple divergences, multiple bearish divergence on the dive, I'll be very, very concerned at these levels. We have multiple divs here, and we have those divs there. So when we have higher highs and RSI's making lower lows, that would be a continuation. Okay, no, that's a class. That is hidden. Bearish momentum. Let me just double check. There you go. Yeah, so I'd be worried about this right here. There you go. And we have those up there. I'll just leave it there. So it looks like we are getting some of that reaction. We did get that PPI report, but that is now canceling this bearish divs on the daily, which is impressive. Could still pan out. We still have the RSI pointing down and then the signal line right there. I would probably just cash out for my own, not financial advice, but if I looked at this and I see the overall market at least having bearish divergences, I would personally be worried just a little bit. I probably wouldn't long anything, and come to think about it, I think I'm gonna get out of a position. I don't like what I see on SPY, but then again, you know, this is just my day trading attitude. It's just the way I think. I gotta really consider the macroeconomics. I always mention that. Protect yourselves. Protect yourselves. Don't think that the thing only goes up. No. Things do come back down, and it's pretty nasty. So, let me go ahead and get that going. Boom. Alright, we are now officially ready to go. We're ready to chart. We're ready to look at numbers, business, companies. Wolf. 1% on the day. Let's see if we can actually swing trade her. Now, she's been obviously riding this 382. You know, I need to start making... Oh my Lord Jesus. Oh my Lord Jesus. I just realized something. Wow. Uh-oh, this ain't good. This doesn't look good. Oh my God. Literally, I was just charting this. Oh my God. So Wolf now is forming a potential V-top extension pattern. This is another bearish continuation. Momentum. Holy shit. V-top extension on Wolf. That's a no-no for me, dog. This is the biggest fuck you. Alright, so obviously we have to confirm the V-top formation. We have to draw this extension. It has to break down on a zone. But if it breaks down this trend line, then we're going to hit the 117. So it's something to consider. Wow. We break trend line. It's the 0.5. Wow. So from a macro perspective, that's pretty sad. That's pretty dangerous to see. Super dangerous. It's always good to get a clean chart. I should have done more clean charts often early in the stream, but thank God I'm doing it now since we're just starting off. This is absolutely disgusting if it actually pans out. V-top extension on Wolf. We don't want this V-top extension on Wolf to pan out. That is going to be a big fuck you. That is a no-no. But so far it looks good. It looks good, but we don't want that to pan out. Alright? At all. That's crazy. So if we break 133, then you're almost guaranteed 0.5 to 117. It's dangerous. Still needs time to build. We're still above the 382, but if this fails, that's a no-no. That is a no. Alright, we got APLD forming a bull flag right off this asymmetrical triangle. I love what I see here. Where price action is most likely to break out based on the nearest trend line. So in this case, we have the upper trend line where price action is hitting. So far so good. So far so good. We're looking tasty. I'm up 2% on the trade already. Jesus. Mm-mm-mm. I actually might close my position. Not financial advice. Let me just see something real quick. I'm already up a couple $100. That was an easy day. Well, that's an easy trade today. Well, shorts actually pulled up. They pulled up this morning, so I wonder if they're gonna get clapped. I'll stick around. I think we have some sort of reporting from the APLD team right after market closes. BBAI only down a cent from previous close. I ain't too worried about it. We are sitting above this golden pocket. We have this rounding bottom formation. Now we're building the handle. This is a cup and handle formation. Nobody really sees this. At least I see this. This is a cup and handle formation on BBAI. You couldn't have asked for a better pattern on this ticker. Look at the beauty. Look how beautiful this is. I love this shit. This is gorgeous. Clean cup and handle formation panning out on BBAI. Beautiful. Love this shit. This is probably one of the best continuation patterns in the market. Well, I would say top 3. This is really looking good. Wow. Jesus. Price did not want to come down to the 0.618. It said, fuck off. I want the 6.5. And thus we're here. That's pretty fucking good. That's pretty fucking good. I used to swing trade a lot, but because of market sentiment, I've never really longed anything for the past couple of months. I'm gonna have to start just accepting the fact that markets only went up for the time being, and start getting back to swing trading. And this is what I used to do most of the time: just draw patterns everywhere, and then you can see the broad perspective of a ticker. I've just been scalping trades. Making $100 here, $50 there. Sometimes I'd be really well off for like a good week. But my swing trades were mad. Oh man, those were the days. Those were the days before Trump. Man, oh man. But looks like markets only went up, so I got to get back into the swing of things. Wow. Markets only went up. That's absolutely insane. I won't be surprised if APLD sells off in the first 30 minutes. I will not be surprised. I want to make sure SPY acts nice on the 1 minute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up the quads. Wow, V-top formation, V-top extension on Wolf is a little bit. I'm a little bit worried on this, but it looks like it's sustaining itself. Absolutely sustaining itself. This is absolutely good. I just don't want this to break. 77 is a little bit concerning here. Don't want this to break. We're above the RSI. This trend line here. So bounce off that trend line and we're good to go. At least get back in it. We're below it. So obviously it's scam hours. Let's see it. Yeah. Oof. Oof. Little bit concerning. Double bottomed here at this channel at 172. So interesting on the 12-hour. Interesting. Can we see a continuation? And we have this rejection here. This continuation rejection off this pattern here flow. So very interesting. Let's see if we can get that going. If not, let me draw some extensions to the bottom side. We draw here, we draw it there, and then boom. This is your levels down if we break below it. So this V-top extension kind of panned out. I like it more on the daily. Actually, it did pan out. Oh shit. Look at that. Wow, we had it hit $5? Oh, this was January. Oh, I'm thinking it was 4-hour time frames. What the hell's wrong with me? I'm getting old. Let me draw that perfectly. I thought it was literally the 1 hour time frame. Alright. It was a V-top extension. I thought it was like 4 hour time frame, smaller time frames. This is on the daily. Alright, market's gonna open. Let's see if we're gonna sustain this. 5%. Thus, we've got to break this trend line on this thing. Alright, so we did have a sell-off on APLD. Let me see market sentiment as a whole. We're a little bit bearish, a little bit neutral, excuse me. Oh, we had a huge sell-off, huge wick down. That's pretty concerning. Let's see if we can get some movement going on in here. Come on, APLD. Let's go. Just a little bit up. Let's see, let's see. Oh, market. Oh, SPY. Actually, let me pull up the quad. Oh, we're breaking out the trend on Wolf. That's pretty good. Still want to see momentum. APLD. Holy smoky. Alright, let's see, let's see. Looking good. Looking good. Nothing to be too crazy about. Whoa, okay. APLD ripping. Do we have news? Whoa, 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 whoa. There we go, there we go. SPY looking a little pukey. I might actually sell my position here. SPY looking a little pukey. APLD holding strong. We're up 2% on the day. I actually might sell position here. And sold. I'm out. I am out of my position. Made a nice little penny on it. I am out. Very happy with that. APLD can keep going. I really don't care. I am going to take profits when I see it, and I'm going to be happy I took profits. At the end of the day, I have to protect myself only, because I'm looking at this from a macro perspective, right? From a macro perspective, I see this, right? Think about this for a second. Think about this for a second. We have multiple divergences, bearish divergences on the top end of this SPY. Multiple bearish divergence divs on the RSI. From a risk-reward perspective, I'm not going to hold in this market climate where we are right now. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'd rather just wait for SPY to give me some signals that we're done printing bearish divs. Okay, yeah, we had great data. We had all sorts of great news, but at the end of the day, from a risk-reward perspective, I have to be vigilant to the fact that there's bearish macro divs printing on SPY. If you don't think I'm not paying attention to that, you are absolutely crazy. Look at this. It's more significant on the time frames. Sold at the morning. Let's see how she's gonna react. Great. Beautiful. Lovely. Keep it going, baby. Keep it going. APLD looking saucy. Okay, APLD looking saucy. But just as much she goes up, she can come right back down. So I'm waiting for confirmation that this is still a great opportunity to get back in. Right now, it doesn't give me that clarity. Let's take a look at AMPX. Up 0.2%. Usually she's up like fucking... She's up 7% on the day, but looks like she's sort of showing some sort of weakness. Nothing crazy. Let's see here. Up. Yep, she's looking sideways. Okay, did we finally smack? Did we finally smack the all-time highs on this? Or I should say, is exhaustion in? That's showing signs of exhaustion. That's a sign. That's good. All right, Wolf up 3% on the day. We were $1.80 on the Ripper. Did we actually hit $1.80? No, $1.62. Excuse me. So let me just make sure I'm on the proper time frame. This is on the 4 hour. Okay, good. I'm on the 4 hour. Wow. So on the daily, this actually. Wait, where was it? Was it the 3 day? Or was it another tick I was looking at? Whatever. Oh, it was another tick I was looking at. Never mind. So V-top extension off this wolf. On wolf. I'm keeping an eye on that. APLD up 3% of the day. Sold. Sold my position on APLD. Took a nice penny. Market open. SPY printing multiple bearish dips on the daily. More seeable on the 4-hour. Okay. Oh, this is the 12-hour, excuse me. Alright, let me put it up on the 4-hour. This is a bearish signal. Very bearish signal. Bearish signal printing. For those of you that don't know what the hell that means, this means that we are at reaching apex and we're at that trend line. So I am staying vigilant. I don't give a shit if markets continue to rip. I don't give a fuck if it goes up even more. I'm protecting my money, protecting my assets, protecting what I own, because you just never freaking know. Never know. From a risk reward, I am staying very, very cash heavy. I will long though. I did say I will long, but not yet, not yet, not yet. All right, let's see if we can get into another position here. See if we can make a nice little trade. Let's make another trade. Usually I'm done for the day. That was a quick scalp off this morning rip. Let's see if I can get into. Let's scalp a trade real quick. Did you hear anything from Jack? No. Alright, so alright, we are, ooh, look at that. So SPY pulling back a little bit. SPY pulling back a little bit. And this is why you protect yourself. So SPY off this macro trend line is rejecting it. Okay? Off the 4-hour, it's more out, you can see that. But look how price is respecting this macro trend line. Okay? If you don't think algos and the big Wall Street are not seeing this, and their algos are not triggering certain things, they're hitting it. Okay, trend lines, patterns, they're hitting old school ways of doing business. They have it in their algos. All right, trend lines, fucking which one? V-top, asymmetrical triangles, bottom, top line. Like, come on, their algos are. Look at that. So APLD this morning had a ripper, sold at around, I think at 1028, 1029. It shot up a little bit more, but look what happened with APLD. This is why you learn to take profits. You take profits. Look what happened with APLD. What happens if it keeps going down? What happens if it keeps going down? Then what? All right, well, I just protect myself. Okay, market is still very bullish, but I'm seeing weakness in the overall trend on SPY. So from a risk reward perspective, I am staying vigilant. Okay, I am staying vigilant. I'm not marrying a stock until I see indicators that we are, at least RSI is showing me that we're not printing bearish divergence. Wow, that was like a tongue twister right there. Holy shit. That was a fucking tongue twister. Alright, so it looks like it's breaking out of this trend line. It's coming back to back test it. How do we know? Let's go on small time frames. So you can see here this rejection here, multiple candles on the 30-minute. It's more apparent. And that gives me the confidence that this macro trend line is being respected. We can see it here on this wicks. We have a bunch of wicks at this top end. That also gives me confirmation that this macro trend line is being respected. So I'm monitoring SPY, protecting myself, and staying vigilant. I'm staying vigilant. I cannot ignore the macro signals where SPY is. Right now we're printing bearish divergences. I am going to protect myself. I'm going to protect myself. Macro trend respecting on SPY. So far, so good. So, took a nice penny market. Okay, SPY. Until SPY retraces. Be careful how you long and placing calls. Position. This ain't the time for calls at the moment. Short dated, at least. Might place a put on Wolf. It wants to die. Might place a put on Wolf. Hey, look at that SPY. Hey. 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 So good, so easy. So good, so easy. In the process. All right, let's go. All right. We are back in business. All right, back in business. I just want SPY to just give me something. Give me something, bro. Give me something, man. Still protecting myself. Still protecting myself. Don't give a shit. Gotta be vigilant. Gotta be vigilant. My girlfriend just texted me. Waiting on some signals to go long. Okay. All right, let's see if we can scalp another trade. Let's see if we can scalp a trade. Let's see if we can get into a trade real quick. Look, AMPX, I said earlier it was showing weakness. Usually it'd be having a morning rip, but this tweezer, this tailed candle, I think that one's an evening star. There's so many of them. You got to remember. Let me just double check. I always like to double check. I should pull up my pull it up on the other screen. I think that is a shooting star, evening star. So many of them. Shooting star. So it's printing a shooting star. It did print a shooting star at the impulse. So something to consider here. This candle is showing a bearish momentum. At least it's a bearish candle. So in terms of where AMPX is leading to, so far it's showing weakness. SPY continuously trying to survive and respecting this trend line, this macro trend line. Wow. I regret trading the old days, man. I regret playing out the old days. Okay. I'm placing a put. Put City. Wolf. V-top extension. Looking good. I might actually place a put position. You know what? Alright, I'm placing a put. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. That's a V-top. What? What the? You can't place puts? You can't place puts? On rock? What? What the fuck? What do you mean I can't place puts? What? Huh? What the? I can't place it on an app? Bro, you gotta be fucking kidding me right now. You can't place puts? You can't seriously place puts? Oh my fucking god. Some trade ideas. Okay. I somehow can't place a put on Wolf, so that's fucking annoying. That's fucking annoying. That's honestly freaking annoying right now. Why? That's so stupid. Okay, well, that's dumb. You can't place a put on Robinhood? Is it because it's volatile? Can anybody confirm? Nobody? Because this is weird. That's so fucking weird. I've never seen that before. That's so freaking weird. So, looks like I can't place puts on Wolf. That's pretty annoying. Oh my fucking god, that's so annoying, dude. It's like writing the RSI on the 12-hour. It's gliding. Your negative DI is gliding. Your bearish delta is printing. It's printing more than it is the bulls. There is nothing but negativity showing on this chart. At least the momentum to the upside is showing weakness. Okay, as long as SPY continues to not be bullish where it's at now. Let me see the market sentiment. A little bit neutral. I feel like Wolf, not financial advice, may break down to the downside. Alright, as long as we keep showing weakness here. Just a nice little play, just a small little put, and I'm not going crazy. Just a nice little put. Just going back maybe to 146. I'll sell. Nothing crazy, not financial advice. That's just my opinion how I'd play this. Very easy. This V-top extend would be much, much more of a banger if it breaks below the 132. Then that gives me a guarantee that we'll break down to the 0.5. But looks like Robinhood hates me. Can't fucking place a put. That's so annoying. There's like a mosquito now. Okay. That's great. I want SPY to... Yes! SPY! 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 Boom! Breaking it down. The signs on the wall. Let's go. TA, baby! Let's fucking go! All that PPI shit don't mean jack if your RSI is printing bearish momentum. Holy shit. CY. Oh, I could play that. I did. Thanks for the reminder. Yo. Alright, let's pull up some fib extension levels. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. This is why you protect yourselves. This is why. This is why. Looks like Wolf wants to make another leg up. It's hitting a key resistance. Let's see here. So, is it 164? It's already too high for me. Love it though, but everything's turning a little bit bearish. Turning a little bit. Whoa! Boom! Boom, man! Boom! 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 Let's fucking go! Spy! Let's go, baby! Put city incoming! You guys have no idea how happy I am. We're breaking below. From a macro perspective, trend line breaks, average 6%, sometimes 10%. After a massive, huge dick run up only, it's time to chill the fuck out. We can still print bullish, no question, but RSI tells us something. Boom, baby! Let's go! Let's go, baby! You guys have no idea how happy I am. I sold the position very early, made some profit, and I ran with it. Just because I see this, I seen this. You know, regardless whether this is short term, it could instantly just go right back up. We can say, hey, we're cutting rates and fucking, we're shooting up, right? But I am protecting my assets. I am protecting myself. I am staying vigilant to the fact that we are in all-time highs. We're printing bearish divergence on the RSI daily. This is a daily macro level, okay? Daily macro level. This is your trend line. This is your RSI. This is daily. Are you kidding me? That's like the biggest chill the fuck out signs, bro. Like, chill the fuck out. Chill the fuck out, bro. Chill. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. I am so happy. Look at your MACD on top of that. Look at this. Look at this. Look at your MACD on the daily. Oh my god. Look at the MACD on the daily. This is SPY on the DMAC TF. Cross the signal. Finally. This is about to get fucking crazy. I'm laughing. I'm laughing way too hard at this for no reason. This is actually bad for some trade. I don't know. I guess I'm happy. I made some profit today. I guess I'm happy because I made a call and it worked and I am winning, and now that profit I'm taking it home, and then I'm gonna position myself for another entry for whatever comes my way. You know, I'm happy that I trusted my gut. This is how you become consistent in the market. Trusting your gut, making these plays, making these call outs. This is how you maintain a day trading lifestyle. Trusting in the TA. Trusting in the TA, baby. Trusting it. You gotta trust yourself in this game. Trust yourself. This shit's not fucking easy. This is absolutely hard. This is one of the hardest jobs out there. I'd say probably top 5. You can literally wipe out your account. Literally wipe the fuck out of your account. You got to protect yourself. You got to believe in yourself. You got to trust what's in front of you. The data might change. The data might change, but okay. So we're printing bearish divergences on the 4-hour and on the daily. Now you see patterns forming. Well, let's draw a pattern. Look, I see a scallop formation. Boom. You draw this. All right, you just draw this. Bing bang. Nice little curvature. Put it to the right. Let's just say on that end. Okay, and then that's it. You take it from there. You start building your thesis. Okay, we see a rounding. We see like a nice little back. We got the head, and now we see it. Now it's collecting this little rounding top ish. Right, but this is how you start building thesis. Plus, you have your 4-hour divergences, your bearish divergences printing. You know, you're flatlining at the top. So now, you know, like this is how you start building your story. It's not that fucking hard, but you have to respect it. You have to respect what's in front of you. If you don't respect it, you're gonna get burnt. Okay, you're gonna get burnt. Okay, SPY's telling you something. Okay, it can go up. But right now, I see the short time frames. I don't like what I see. This is bearish to me. This is super bearish for me. All right, might have to test this trend line one more time. Might have to come back and test this trend line, and then hopefully we puke to the downside, or maybe it just pukes right now. Okay, but I see what's in front of me. We need to chill the fuck out. The MACD cross on on the MACD, this crossing signal line. Right there on your bottom right quadrant, your negative DI looks like it's about to curl up. And look at your delta. Look at your volume delta bears over the bulls. So that is bearish signals. Is it going to print? Maybe, but I see what's in front of me. I see what's in front of me, bro. I'm not staying away from ignorance. I'm seeing what's in front of me. Easy. Trust in your gut. Okay? I love this. Let's go. APLD down 0.5 from all time. Wolf about to print bearish signal. It's like holding the line at that 382. Okay? It's holding that line. Now if I turn on my big boy charting, it's gonna get real dirty. There it is. Where's the EMAs? It's loading. All right, there it is. So right now, from the big boy charting, RSI is literally gliding on that center line on the 4-hour. So that tells me the weakening of this trend is, or at least to the upside, is weakening. We're about to flat out. We're testing the center on the 4-hour. I would be very, very. I would be I want to place puts. Why? Okay, let me try and go on another platform. Let me see if I can place puts on another platform. Let me see if I can place puts in another platform. Let me see. I want to place a put on Wolf. I like to do short dated. Let's do in the money. I like in the money better. I'm feeling a little saucy today. I'm feeling a little saucy today. Alright, SPY showing me more momentum to the downside. Yes, it is. It is. Okay, fucking this is bearish. Bearish. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So right now we're curving under at least what it looks like a scallop formation. And then it could be a scallop. If it's a scallop and it does this, alright, does this, it flatlines here, okay, then we move up. But we gotta get that bearish momentum in. We gotta really print this thing out and then move up. Okay. It's not the end of the world. We did it here. Look at this. We did it here. Why doesn't it work when I click it? We did it here. Nice little back test. Came back down and zoomed up. There's nothing wrong with that. We did it again here. A little bit of a descending scallop formation. A little mini one. It's a little mini descending scallop. That looked nice. But look, this actually don't look bad. It don't look bad. Okay, very, very simple. Alright, so I'm protecting myself. Alright, let's get back to, let me see the, what's the daily telling us? We're above the 5. No, we're actually right on it too. Alright, so we're holding the line at 382. Alright, let's go back to, let's go back to cleaner charts. I miss trading just patterns. I miss honestly trading just patterns. Like, I used to fucking swing trade hard just off of patterns. I don't know why I went back into... Oh, yeah, I know why. Because I didn't trust the market where it's at. Because it was just too bullish. But now it's showing me bearish momentum. And I'm cool with that for the moment. Alright, I'm cool with that. Alright, let's see what else is happening. SBET. Holy moly. You can only get paid day by day if you buy the 15-minute orb low on SBT. Bro, literally up the fuck only. Are you kidding me? I'm dying right now. Dude, this thing is up only. If I were to, let me put on my big boy, stream. Okay, so it gapped up 31.33, left a gap at around 20.30, printing a, looks like a doji baby on the impulse. Hold up. That is a bearish abandoned baby. That might be a bearish abandoned baby. Uh-oh. That still needs to print though, but look at this bearish abandoned baby. It's printing this bad boy. But how she is moving, I doubt this. Who the fuck knows? Still needs time to close on the daily. 5 hours left on that, but holy shit. That is impressive. That is an impressive chart. Can't even argue with this thing. I might scalp this shit. I actually might scalp this shit. Let me see if I can scalp. Let me see. Okay, it's coming down. Let's go on the one-time frame-o. Let's see if we can scalp. It's up 14%. So let's go on the 1 hour, see where the trend is. Okay, so the 1 hour gives you the overall perspective. We're below the VWAP, or at least we're touching it, and we're about to touch that 5 SMA. We just printed an inverted hammer at the impulse. That's super bearish. Okay. It looks like it likes to run up and then reject hard and then do another massive move up. So that's a good sign. We can see that here on the likes to move up, huge rejection down. Okay, so this was how many days? Huge run up, massive rejection. Huge run up, massive rejection. So in terms of my odds being in my favor, this looks like it's printing it needs to probably go up again. And then another rejection, unless the rejection is this one. What is happening now? Yeah, it likes to rip and then dip. And then it rips pre-market. At least from what I see, yeah. Pre-market rip and then dip open. Pre-market rip and then dip open. Pre-market rip and then dip open. Pre-market rip. Okay, so from a risk reward, I'm not touching this shit. I thought I could, but I'm not. Based on what I see, a rip and then a fucking dip, I'm not doing that. Wow, that's a little bit fucked up. This is why I don't like, you have to have brokers that can day trade. I mean, not day trade, that can sell post and pre-market. Because guys that have brokers that you can't escape, you can't exit in these time frames, you're gonna get fucking clapped. Because no one can tell the future where this would have headed, right? So if you believed in the company, sure, you're an investor, you go up only. But if you're day trading this thing, it's like necessary. All right, let's see what SPY is doing. SPY almost printing red. She's like struggling. Let's go in small time frames. Yep, she's having struggles. She's struggling right now. Can't get above this macro trend line. Can't get above this macro trend line. What is my RSI telling you? RSI is bouncing off the moving average. At least it looked like it is, but we're underneath the center line. Your histogram on the 30-minute, is weakening. Is weakening. So, super weak. Super fucking weak, dude. I like what I see. I do like what I see. SPY, give it to me. Yes. 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 Woo wait. We're about to get in a trade. Man, oh man, oh man. Wow, market sentiment is now being bearish. See, this is why I wanted to print. This is why I wanted to place a put on Wolf. Oh my God, why? This is so messed up. I can't even trade puts on Wolf. This is so fucked up. Yes. Yes. Alright. Well, that's that. What do you guys... How's the chat feeling? What's going on, guys? Let me turn on my battery here. So far, so good. So far, so goody. Actually, if we can get this going, that'd be great. I love this job. I absolutely love this job. Okay. Alright, so let's hopefully get this going. Could be another mini scallop printing the next couple of days. So far, so good. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, bro. This is not that hard. I'm so fucking... Alright, let's see. Okay, that. Okay, I got 33. Okay, good. I got one more. Alright. Ooh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Easiest fucking short if anyone took it. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. This V-top extension is about to fuck. Oh my god. This V-top extension is about to fuck. I'm like handing out. Oh my god. Dude, this V-top extension, seriously. It's breaking below the 0.5. Is Spy still... Spy is like trying to survive, but... Dude, oh my god. I wish... Robin Hood wouldn't let me, bro. Robin Hood wouldn't let me. Spy, I really need you to come down a little bit more. Oh my god. They would have made, we were at 163, so that's about a 6% trade off that short call out. 150. Alright, Spy's still struggling. Spy's seriously trying to struggle. But we are below. We rejected this trend line, so if we close below that trend line tomorrow, it's going to get nasty. I'm just happy I made money today. I can still take another trade. I'm trying to chill out. Let's see if I can get another trade in. Hey, 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 hey. Let's see if I can get another trade in. Still showing weakness. You ain't fooling me, Spy. I don't trust you. You have to come back and test that RSI divergence, that bearish divergence, but then after that, just break down. Just die already, you know? Just fucking do what you do best. Break down. That's right. Retest it. Go ahead. Retest it. APLD. AMPX. No way, Jose. Let's go. Wolf. Oh, BBAI. Dixie. Dollar's going up. That's impressive, but we can reject this trend line here in this parallel channel because we did it multiple times here, multiple times here. So double topped. That's on the week. Wow, I'm on the weekly. Whoops. Even worse if it's on the weekly. So multiple rejections off this beautiful trend line. I love how price respects the trend. Oh my god. I'm like having an epiphany right now. What's the point of learning? Wow. I feel like my trading skill just leveled up a little bit because I just realized something. My eyes look like a mole. That's impressive. I feel like I just leveled up. I just had like a new superpower that just walked in, like just literally walked into my life right now. You know, I guess the more you do this, the more you realize things. Unbelievable. Like if I see this, it looks super bullish, but the bearish momentum smells like it's coming, right? Could be wrong. But from a risk reward, should I short this? I want to short this. Can I short this? So that's a Gartley. If it gives me that candle, nah. Technically it's terminal, nah. If I pull up on the monthly, meh. Damn, 786 is a little bit too. It's too wild for me. But this is the impulse. I might actually, yeah, arguably. Broke out this trend line. Is it a wick at least? Nope. It's a bullish engulfing. Nah. Too bullish. Can't do it. Too bullish. Too bullish. Unless SPY gives me that one rejection. Let me see something on here. I need massive, massive gains. APLD up 1.76%. AMPX showing a little bit of retracement. I do like what I see though, because I do want to get in this ticker for long. I want to long this thing. Okay, I do want to long this thing. I love how it's respecting the fib levels. I'm making it clean because if I turn on my big boy charts, this thing is fucking disgusting to look at. But notice how it's respecting that 5 SMA line. Alright, notice how it's respecting that 5 SMA line. If we come back and touch it, at least another potential entry or opportunity. I can't say entry. Excuse me, not financial advice. For me and for me only, that I can look into. And if that 5 SMA gets rejected, I still got that 10. So again, not financial advice. This is just for my observation. Okay. SPY printing a spinning top. Still needs 42 minutes to go, but this is a very neutral candle, at least for the short time frame. Rejected twice off this macro trend line, so I don't suspect much from SPY. Just holding it down. Wolf, if I would have shorted, I would have made a nice, what, 4%? Ridiculous, bro. Ridiculous. Wouldn't even let me short. SBET, absolutely another one that's on a ripper. Not much to say about this. Woo! It's bullish. It's crazy. It's only going up. Bitcoin, another one, ascending triangle formation, and if it comes back down, this is not going to look good. We got the rejection. I mean, we had a. Let's see if we can actually get some things going. Let me see some people see what they see. Boom. 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 And then we actually have the support. So, from a risk reward, Bitcoin, I don't know. You tell me. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Bitcoin, I don't know. Needs to break. SBET. Let me see. My boy Davey. Wait, what the fuck did I just... What was I in? RR? Dude, this company is very interesting because it's selling... This is a robotics company that makes robotics for restaurants, but it's a robotics company at the end. Oh, this was the extended V-top that I was looking at. Okay, yeah, broke the trend, surviving it, and then if we break that, then it's GG. Then it's absolutely GG. 6% on the day, though. Looks like another... Wow, this is 6% on the freaking day. Ooh, APLD moving up. Oh, no. Oh, SPY's going up, that's why. Come on, baby. SBET. Wow. Absolutely a massive, massive run. I just... Massive run. Oh my god. On the 3-day time frame. Wow, look at that. 27.19. Wow. Hi, can we come back a little bit? Haven't seen a ripper in a while. All EMAs lining up, acting as support. Crazy. Looks like a GME. Looks like a GME move. I remember those days. Curling up. Straight up. Only. Ay, Dios. Broke out and we'll go 34, 38. Oh, that Unity is another one? Let's see, what is this? Oh. Unity. I forgot about this. Not my type of trade. 13% broke out of this weekly trend line. At least it looks like a weekly trend line. Super bullish. Very nice. Very nice. The SPY still acting up. Yep. SPY can't make up its mind. Love what I see, though. Absolutely love what I see. Wolf just needs to completely just die off this V-top extension. V-top extension. Just give it to me, baby. SBET now printing. I think it was a abandoned bearish baby. Let me double check. I posted in the Discord. It is a bearish abandoned baby, yeah. But now the body of this candle, which still has 5 hours left, is getting lower. So it's a fat one. Now that's a spinning top. Alright, that's a spinning top. Yeah, well, at least it's looking like a spinning top. Yeah, bearish at that. Usually you want longer wicks. It's a little bit fatty. It's just a fat one. Come on, SPY. Just give me the more rejection. 0.1% again. Come on, bro. Stop trying to lie to people. Stop trying to lie to people. Stop trying to give people hope. It's like literally trying to tell, like, look at this. Look at this. Stop trying to lie to people. Look at this. You just draw trend lines. Fucking market moves on trend lines. Come on, bro. Come on. Who are you kidding? Who are you lying to, bro? There's no way you're lying to me. You're not lying to me. No, you're not gonna lie to me. You're not gonna lie to me, bro. I'm not falling for it. I'm not falling for it. Not today, Jack. Not today. Alright? You're not fooling me, bitch. Look at this. Actually, it looks like a cup and handle on the short time frame, 30 minute. The cup and handle is usually more rounded. But the handle broke down way too low, so that's null and void. That's null and void. Alright, so off this opening bell, we have now this trend line. And on a macro perspective, looks like another mini scallop. Could be another mini scallop where we had a nice run up, come back down at a certain point, and then we just fucking made another rip up. That's cool to know. That's cool. I mean, I accept that. I ain't stressing, but I gotta protect myself. Okay, it's just another leg up. Okay, just bring it back down, baby. Bring it back down. AMPX RSI overly bullish. Like, can we just come back a little bit? Dixie. Unity? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. It's a Superman. Superman candle. I'm just gapped up. Trading at 33 bucks. That's impressive. Let's go potentially find some harmonic plays. I want to get into some nice games. Let's go take a look at our. Wow, this was a long time ago. That's gonna be my my memory. Oh, BBAI. BBAI broke out this morning, coming back to retest that breakout. Coming back to retest. Let me go in smaller time frames. Yep, it broke out off this trend line. Coming back to retest. So far, so good. Just gotta be patient with it. Oh my god, I love how it respects trend lines. Wow, look at this. Amazing, right? Amazing what TA does. Alright. BBAI handle breakout and retest. Confirmation. $720 full body candles above 720. Let's go. Let's go. Let me show I'm doing it right. It's coming back to retest that breakout. Hey scammers, if you guys are watching, like the video, my boys. I know some of you guys are in there. Wow. Bull. I don't know what the hell this is. I see that trend. That rejection here. Multiple rejection here. Alright. So bull reaching apex. It could be the most bearish situation or the most bullish situation for bull. I do want to see multiple. I want to see this one last touch here off this trend line. So obviously we're hitting convergences here off this XY axis. Y axis the top, X is the bottom. So X axis here. I do want to see it come back at least 1175 and then bounce off it. That'll be like a great confirmation that trend line is being protected. It's a good place. All right, just still observing. Still observing. What are you guys up to? If you guys are watching, what tickers are you looking at? What tickers? Let's go. Let's go. APLD looking like it wants to move. Spy, you're not fooling me. Spy, you are not fooling me. I actually have to use the bathroom, which is kind of crazy. Spy, you're not fooling me. I don't care. I don't care. You're not fooling me. You're not fooling me, bro. No. I actually have to use the bathroom. I'm trusting my gut. I'm trusting my gut. I'm trusting my gut. Okay? I'm trusting it. How many more ups can we get, Spy? How many more ups, Spy? Come on now. It's not up forever. I need to scalp trade something. Actually, I want to get into a trade. Let's see if we can get into a trade real quick. Let's see if we can get into a trade. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see if we can get into a trade. Oh, this is like more sideways. I want to get into a trade. So choppy. Sideways action. APLD, you show me love, show me momentum, show me life. I know you like to do double bottoms a lot. So if you come back here, test at 10:03, come back and then shoot up. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Alright, so far looking like you want to. You're above the VWAP, 1050, 20, 50 moving average, and the 200 moving average. Alright, now you're breaking below. Alright, let's see if we can get a nice little trade on here. Another nice little scalpy trade on APLD. Ooh, breaking down. Oh, hold up, I gotta get a whole market sentiment. Hold on, we got that. We got the SPY. Let's pull up the SPY. Alright, SPY looking a little pukey. Woo! I don't like how it's making, well, off the break. We have this trend line here. Alright, but we are also making higher lows. So we are seeing momentum to the upside. So let's see if we can not, and also look like a broadening triangle ascending. So rejection, 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 but we're also making higher highs and higher lows. Alright, so from a pattern perspective, this looks interesting. So let's see if we can either break up or break below it. Alright, let's see what's this going on with Wolf. Just barcoding now at this fucking point. Oh my god. Alright, I need to get into a trade. I need another trade. I'm like inching. I'm never happy. I want more. More. Alright, let's see. Ooh, we got bearish divergences too on SPY on the 1 minute, but that doesn't mean shit. Because it's 1 minute time frames, there's divergences everywhere. Ooh, AMPX. Yes, I forgot about AMPX. Let's go on AMPX. That's actually showing love. Damn it, but it also... Freak. Alright, why do I have two? So I can just put one AMPX. Alright, beautiful. Oh no. So look like it is a... So many patterns. Can't remember them all. I think that's a broadening, ascending... Broadening formation, right angled, and ascending pattern. Alright, let me see if we can... Yeah. Nah. Nah. Rejection, rejection. Alright. Let me see what the 1 hour looks like. Yeah, we're breaking below. Rectangle top. Broke below, come back and retest it. So it looks like a little bearish. Still bullish, but bearish. I think the volume on this is dead. Let me see the RSI, yeah. Yeah, it's flat. Not a fan. Give me some direction. Give me some direction. Alright, SPY looking like it's going to break out this apex. Let's go. Let's go. SPY on the bottom left quadrant. We're making a new higher low. Is it going to make a new lower high? Or is it going to make a new higher high? Let's go. I hope SPY just completely freaking pukes. I hope SPY completely pukes. I don't need that one. Yeah. APX sideways. Sideways. Small time frame. You see a bunch of candles. Not much. All right. Not much. Still all right, here we go. SPY. All right, breaking again, new higher low off this trend line. A new higher low off the 1 minute trend line. Doesn't mean anything yet. I just want to see more breakage to the downside. More breakage. There we go. We broke. And that significant candle. Well, at least we touched it. Just go ahead, just puke it. Puke it. Come on, baby. There we go. Boom! Boom, 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 baby. Booyah, sugar, man. Okay, now we're seeing SPY. Wow. So I love how it's respect. And look, the algos get triggered. That's the algos right there. Sell orders going off. Boom, boom, boom. So a little bit of bearish momentum on SPY thus far. At least these are the beginning stages of a sideways chop or bearish momentum on SPY. Love what I see so far. Can't really get into a trade. Can't get into a. I wanna scalp something, but I can't. I mean, I could do puts. I like seeing opportunity now for like a long position. Straight edge roofer BBAI prediction for this week. What up, straight edge roofer? BBAI prediction. The way SPY is right now, bearish. Bearish. You didn't say price prediction. You said prediction. So as long as SPY continues to show bearish momentum to the downside, BBAI is very much going to follow SPY until we get a catalyst. So bearish momentum thus far. All right, we broke out of this handle. We came back and retested it, or at least we're coming back to retest it. On post market, I want to see it come back and touch this trend line. I want to come back and test this trend line. So this handle off this cup and handle formation on BBAI, I want to see that breakout confirmation. Look at this. All right, look at that beautiful handle, cup and handle, cup, handle, bingo, bango. All right, it broke out. Just come back and retest it and give me that nice upward momentum. I haven't posted this on my Twitter yet. Shh, don't steal it, don't steal it, don't steal the pattern yet, guys. Oh no, don't steal the pattern. What I love about it is that this was a rounding formation. Right here, boom, look at that bump. That's one of the key confirmations of a rounding bottom, and then cup and handle as well. I mean, patterns lead into other patterns, lead into other patterns. So this is just another pattern leading into a potential another one. And if you look at it, that's a bull flag, right? Patterns lead into patterns lead into another pattern. So, but if SPY don't act nice, which she didn't, then everything else is coming back down, baby. Everything else is coming back down. SPY needs to act nice for oh wow. SPY needs to act nice. Okay? SPY needs to act nice. Join the Discord, guys. Like the video, like the channel, like anything. All right, so Wolf is going sideways. This is literally just choppy. Wow, it's barcoding. Talk about manipulation. APLD looking bullish. So rounding bottoms are very common with APLD. So now it's hitting that rounding bottom. Let's see if we can get a momentum to the upside. Give me that 5 SMA confirmation. Swing it, and then hopefully come back up to 1020. That's only a 1% move. I'm not going to do that. Risk reward, I'm not doing that. So, what's going on, guys? Wolf, APLD, and BBAI. BBAI just, right now, sideways. It's just choppy. Not really much going on right now. $7.05 is the support, and now it looks like it's breaking down. Literally, as soon as I talk about it, sorry guys, as soon as I mentioned it, it wants to break down. So next step is is $7. Okay. Wow, guys. Whoops. So again, SPY needs to act nice for us to show momentum to the upside. That's why I said bearish. Bearish, bearish, bearish. I said in my video yesterday, you gotta stay vigilant with macroeconomics. Holy shit. Wow. Boom. Boom. BBAI puking. Hey. Let's see if we can get we have divergences here. Love it. Love it. Double bottomed here. Did it? Yep. Double bottomed. Touching previous trend. Previous support. And we'll see if it's going to sustain. So I love what I see. Love what I see. Love what I see. Oof. Ooh, if it breaks 701, God, I want to place a put. Can I place a put? Will my broker actually let me place a put? Did you guys fix your goddamn software? Bro, you can't place... I might actually have to re-download this thing. Oh shit, Wolfie. What's happening here? Do we get news? No, there's no news. It's just a breakout. It's just doing Wolfie things. Just rips and then dips. It's just trying to sustain. I would honestly, let me find the position for, look at that, double bottom and then up. Always. It always likes to do that. APLD loves to double bottom. That's one thing with APLD. I've been day trading her for months. Does this and then legs up, but short time frames. But I knew right there and then double bottom and then a rip. Loves it. It loves doing that, and then it just goes sideways and then rejection without news. Remember boxes. Rejection box. Alright, I'm going to go use the bathroom real quick. So let me go ahead and be right back. Be right back, bathroom. Alright, we back. Alright. Screw Siri. Alright, what's going on with the market? Looking like we're getting a nice pullback. SPY breaking out. Is it? It broke out. Oh, but it still has this top trend line here that it has to. It's got a huge resistance. Broke out a VWAP, come back and test it. Fake out breakout, bingo bango. May or may not be a thing. So BBAI, another one, double bottom, make new legs up. I actually might swing. Wolfie. I'm not placing any longs. I don't convince myself. I just convinced myself. All right. Let's do one more little round before I go ahead and cut the stream. Just want to test. Woo! Baby. Killing it. I am killing it. I am killing it, man. Let's see what the YouTube, let's see. Alright, looks like we got a nice, oh look, we got a, God, do I really want, let me see something here. Exuberant beetle. That's an interesting name. But you know what? Let's see if we can get this guy in here. It's not your normal name. Pukey. Very pukey. Bitcoin showing some momentum to the upside, and then we have Wolf. Does Wolf still have legs? That's the real question. About to hit this pivotal top at 163. SPY. From a risk reward, does Wolf have legs? 161. 157 seems to be a very consistent zone for the bounce. SBET, finally. What happened with SBET? What, retracement? Did we get the retracement? Did we get the retracement? Let's see. SBET. No, it's only up. Got the retracement. Another leg. Holy shit. Lord Jesus. Holy. Wow. Straight up. Just, now it's a little choppy. Stocks. Neutral today. Oh, SPY. Oh, stop it, SPY. Stop it. SPY. Oh! Whoa, 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 what's that? Bro, what the fuck was that? Whoa. Spy. What the fuck? Did news break? Whoa. What the f... You never see that unless news break. That's a breaking news candle. Anyone got news? What the fuck? That is not a normal... Oh shit. Dude, this thing is puking. Hold up. Something's happening. Bro, that's not a normal... Hello? Hello? Dude, that's a breaking news candle. What the fuck? Rejection again off this trend line. So it... SPY rejection off macro trend line. Only thing I can see why it had such a bearish move. I mean, it technically would... That is a crazy move. That's a fucking crazy rejection line. Holy shit. So, let's see what other tickers look like. That wasn't... Dude, that was such a weird candle. Such a weird fucking candle. So RR, a interesting ticker. RR, interesting ticker. Very interesting. Robotics play. Trading at $1.80. Extension right on. PA right on support. Very risky, but robotics? Let's not forget Sim. Robotics company trading at 50. Something to consider. Huh. This is very interesting observation. So, wow. So SPY continuation down. Rejection off this trend line. Wow, that was a beautiful rejection. Honestly, that was glorious off this macro trend line here. I love that. Love it. So my bearish thesis remains intact. I am absolutely loving what I see right now. Huge bearish sell-off. Huge. Whoa! Hello. Hello. Fighting for that support. 621 prior support. Come back. Go up. Test RSI. Let's go on the 5-minute real quick. So, pivotal test mark right here. Boom. Yikes. Yikes. Hello. Wait, I just had a trend. Am I crazy? Wait, what? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, the rejection. Did I just deleted it? Oh, I was on a higher time frame. Right? On the 1 hour, right? Yeah, higher time frame. I guess. Yes? Kind of crazy though. Kind of scary. Scary. SBET really wants it. I mean, Jesus Christ. If SBET can just stop doing the thing, that'd be great. APLD just holding. Just holding. Dixie, the dollar looking a little weak. It looks like it's topping at this daily candle here. That's a little bit concerning. No momentum. Okay, no momentum. Okay. All this, all that. Alright, so bull. A little bit of sideways chop. Nothing crazy. There is a trend here that I see. But we'll just go ahead and pretend this is the overall broad market sentiment. Bull not giving me the favorable odds of entering anything right now. RZLV, can we get into that? Well, we are making little mini flags. We got a ripper, then a dipper, then a ripper, then a dipper. But this rip wasn't significant as this rip. So looks like we're coming back down. Rejected 0.5. Again, Wolf looking like an entry potential. Market is a little bit neutral. APLD breaking a little down. SBET. Let's see SPY real quick. Okay, we got the quad up and going. Wow, that was a huge sell-off. But you just made a new lower high. So I like where it's at. I like the lower highs. Keep it coming, baby. Keep the bearish momentum coming. Whew, I'm tired. Keep it coming, baby. Let's go. Looks like I can't day trade anything right now. I'd be worried. RVYL. Oh shit. I forgot about that. RVYL. RVYL. Let's see what's happening here with them. They had a massive sell-off. Huge sell. Looks like a bearish flag formation is forming. You'll probably see it more significant on the 30-minute. Oh no, it's just absolutely garbage. Yeah. That's so sad. Yikes. Yeesh. Most traded volume I've seen on this ticker. Most traded. SPY completely so sold off, coming back up. That's impressive. Maybe I can scalp. All right. Super tired right now. All right, I'm gonna call it. It was a morning run. We had a good day today. Really good day. Sold that market open. Made a nice little penny. And I'll be doing more of these early in the morning. I'm gonna try and be consistent every other day. So if you guys like the video, if you like the stream, like the video, subscribe to my YouTube, and join the Discord. It's all free. It is all free. AMPX. Ooh, this is now catching my attention. Hold up. What is AMPX doing? Hold up. It's making legs. I love me some legs, and it's moving. Looks like we broke this trend line it wants to break out of. Rectangle top formation. Hold up. Okay, SPY showing weakness. I don't want to get in this. No. Give me a second. Let me turn on my big boy chart. Let me see the 12-hour real quick. I'll wait for the 12, the 5. The daily, did we touch? No, I don't think we touched now. No. I'll wait. Let me see SPY. Nah. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna sit on my hands. Boy, I am tempted, but being patient pays off. Alright, thank you so much, everybody. Have a beautiful day. Like the video, subscribe, and catch you later.